To make fresh pineapple coconut sorbet, you are going to want to use some coconut milk. Now this is sweetened coconut milk, and I have gone ahead and cut up a pineapple and got all the juice as well as the pulp out. So I've gone ahead and put about 5.5 ounces of coconut milk into my little blender cup, and then I'm just going to add in my pineapple, and then I'm just going to take this little Ninja Creami cup, or not Ninja Creami, this is my Ninja smoothie cup, and I'm going to blend that using the smoothie function on my Ninja. And that's it. This really lovely yellow color because we used fresh pineapple. And then I'm just gonna very carefully open this. And I will pour it right into my Ninja Creami cup. And then into the freezer this will go for 24 hours. All right, so it has been 24 hours since we put our mixture in the Ninja Creami cup. And now I'm just going to give this a spin. Now this is a delicious dairy-free sorbet. So, all right. Okay, and then I just gotta do that. Okay. All right, so now I'm gonna hit sorbet. I may need to respin this a couple times, but once it gets nice and creamy, I'm going to put it in my frozen pineapple half. So this will make a nice little presentation. You can also just pile it up and then freeze it and bring it out when you want some. All right, here we go. All right. See, this is the first spin. Actually, that's pretty smooth for this first spin. Kind of like that. So I am going to get a scooper here. Oh, actually, take this out. Get a scooper here. I feel like it needs to be a little more creamy. It's kind of powdery. So we're just gonna put this in and let it go for another spin. It's a little too icicle-y, if that's even a word. All right, one more time. All right, see where we're at now. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Okay, so I switched over to a ice cream scooper because I'm thinking that that might be a little bit easier to use to form a nice compact ice cream ball or sorbet ball. That's better. Oh, maybe not. Come on, get it. Doesn't want to come off. It's definitely creamy all the way through. Not a lot of fat in this, so. I love how yellow it is from the natural fresh pineapple. That is not dye, folks. That is all natural. Not really feeling this scooper. Nice. Got a little bit of ice filled up around the edges, but that's okay. Definitely does not mound well. I think this bottom part needs to be creamified a little bit more. But yeah, so there you go. There's your pineapple sorbet. Enjoy. Done.